customizing my converse. I already started, finishing the spider web. Final look.
Wow!
Sketching designs for the rim. Done. Sharpie time. Tada! Lace is gone. Star laced! Yeah! Onto the right shoe. I was on call with twins, so no footage of progress. Stars from the side of left shoe. Swirly designs on the logo. Spiderwebs on the side from the left shoe. Doodles on the top part of the rim. Back to the left shoe to add more details. Whatever this design is on the logo. Doodles on le rim. Final look for left side. Final look of right side.